Astronomers are hunting for Earth-like planets, but they're not easy to find. And the conditions needed for life to exist have to be just right. It's likely that if such a planet exists, it will be outside our solar system, and it's very hard to study planets so far away. But before we go on, let us understand how big is our universe. Earth is inside our solar system, along with the other planets, like Mars, Mercury, and Jupiter, orbiting our star, the Sun. Our solar system is a part of a galaxy, known as the Milky Way. And solar system is just one of many inside the huge Milky Way galaxy. And Milky Way galaxy is just one of many galaxies in the universe. So while there may be life on other planets, in another solar system, in a different part of the Milky Way galaxy, or in another faraway galaxy, we don't yet have the technology to study such faraway planets. However, we are trying to collect clues using existing technology of other possible life forms there. So what makes a planet livable? Much of the search for life has focused on trying to find liquid water, because it is essential for all life forms here on Earth. Cells are mostly made up of water. Many of the chemical reactions that occur in our metabolism can only occur in the presence of water because it is an incredibly good solvent. And water is very common. In fact, the components that make up water, hydrogen and oxygen, are the first and third most abundant elements in the Milky Way galaxy. Oxygen loves bonding with other elements to make different chemicals. This means that we find water almost everywhere we look, from the surface of planets in our solar system, to the depths of interstellar space. But for life as we know it to exist, you would need a planet where water exists in a liquid state. Otherwise your cells would freeze or boil away. And Earth is in a perfect position from our Sun to support water in a liquid state. Astronomers call this ideal location as the habitable or Goldilocks zone. Scientists discovered that there is permanent liquid water on Mars, which made a lot of people very excited. Water is also inside craters on Mercury, and there are vast water oceans on some of Jupiter's and Saturn's moons. But we still haven't found life on Mars, or any other planet in our solar system. Can life not exist outside our solar system? Planets outside our solar system are called exoplanets. They orbit their own stars, like we orbit our star, the Sun. For example, there is an exoplanet called Kepler-22b, which is in the habitable zone from its star called Kepler-22. Kepler-22b is bigger than Earth. Finding a world within a star's habitable zone where liquid water can exist would be a great start to finding life. Unfortunately, we have not perfected the technology for it yet. But finding a planet with the right conditions for life isn't enough. We need to be able to detect signatures of life itself. Scientists call these biosignatures. For example, we can look at a planet's atmosphere and see what gases are in it. If we found a planet with lots of oxygen, we can say there may be life there. At the moment, it is not possible to detect biosignatures on Earth-like planets around other stars. Maybe, you may be one of the scientists who develops the technology that makes all this possible, and will discover the first inhabited world beyond Earth. That's it for this video. Hope you found the information useful. Do hit the like button below. Share this video with your friends and loved ones. And subscribe to our channel. Thank you.